Sugar is freely traded in the world market. Assume that a country, Lauraland, is a price taker in the world market for sugar. Some of the sugar consumed in Lauraland is produced domestically while the rest is imported. The world price of sugar is $2 per pound. The graph below shows Lauraland's sugar market. PW represents the world price. What does it mean to be a price taker? Price takers accept whatever the market price happens to be and doesn't have control to dictate prices for a good or service. At the world price of $2 per pound, how much sugar is Lauraland importing? The nation produces a total of 2 million pounds and the nation demands a total of 14 million pounds. Lauraland will import 12 million pounds of sugar. 14 million minus 2 million equals 12 million pounds. Suppose that Lauraland imposes a per unit tariff on sugar imports and the new domestic price including the tariff is $4. Identify the new level of domestic production. The new level of domestic production is 6 million pounds. Calculate the domestic consumer surplus for Lauraland. The domestic consumer surplus is 25 million. 1/2 of 9 minus 4 times 10 equals 25. Calculate the total tariff revenue collected by the government. The total revenue collected by the government is 8 million. 4 minus 2 times 10 minus 6 equals 2 times 4, which equals 8 million. Given the world price of $2, what per unit tariff maximizes the sum of Lauraland's domestic consumer and producer surplus? The per unit tariff that maximizes the sum of producer and consumer surplus is 0. Suppose that Lauraland imposes a per unit tariff on sugar imports and the new domestic price including the tariff is $4. There will be deadweight loss. So the per unit tariff that maximizes the sum of producer and consumer surplus once again is 0.